In a world where access to essential medicines defines the boundary between health and hardship, Chempro Pharma emerges as a company that is committed to enhance global manufacturing capabilities of finished pharmaceuticals formulations and create employment in countries looking for self-sustaining supplies of medicines. At Chempro Pharma, our mission transcends the mere production of pharmaceuticals in India. We are committed to technology transfer for manufacturing finished formulations, enabling countries to achieve self-sustenance in medicine production. We invite international partners from the pharmaceuticals industry from all geographical target markets to develop their own manufacturing capabilities for finished pharmaceutical formulations, right in your own manufacturing site. With unparalleled expertise, we promise not just to develop these formulations, but to ensure they are bioequivalent and of the highest quality, backed by a 100% money-back guarantee. Our technology transfer model is designed with your sovereignty in mind. Once the technology licensing and royalties fee is settled, the prowess to produce remains yours forever. Beyond the transfer, Chempro Pharma is your long-term ally, offering partnerships on a technology licensing plus royalty fee basis, ensuring a continuous supply of medicines to meet the demands of your target market. Discover the full spectrum of our capabilities and join us in our quest for a healthier world at the CPHI conferences in Tokyo, Shanghai, and Milan. Empower your company and your country with Chempro Pharma's manufacturing solutions. Visit www.chemprogroup.com or contact Mr. Arun Sehgal.